If incoming calls are not showing on your Realme 14T, then let me try to help you solve this issue. So the first thing that we can do is go to the settings. Over here we're gonna go to sounds and vibration, and what you need to do is make sure that the do not disturb mode is activated, because this can be the reason why incoming calls are not showing on your screen. So make sure that DND mode is disabled. You can also check schedules in order to find out if they are not activating DND mode by itself, because if DND mode is activated, you pretty much get no ringtone, no vibration, and no notification about the call. I mean, you can receive a notification, but it is actually hidden in the notification tray, so it is worth turning it off. If the DND mode is not the reason why it is not working, then we can also, in the settings, go to apps. Let's open App Manager. We're gonna tap on these three dots over here in the top right corner, and we want to show System Apps. Then you should be able to search, and first let's write phone. There we go. Let's go to this phone app first. And over here, we're gonna go to the storage usage. We want to, well, first, actually, let's go back and force stop the app. And after that, go to storage usage and clear data. Let's delete everything. There we go. After that, we're gonna go back. Now let's go to phone call, SMS storage, do the same thing without having to force stop. You don't have to force stop really, but we need to clear cache or clear data. Then let's go to phone services. And let's do the same thing. So storage usage, clear data. All right. Now we're gonna also check for calls. So let's delete this and write call. So let's go to call management, storage usage, and clear data. Let's go back. And after that we can also, well, I think that's it. We don't have to do anything with the free call, I believe. So after that, we also need to open the phone app. So just turn it on, just go into the app in order to turn it back on, and then you should be able to check if you see incoming calls on your screen. And I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.